Hello. Say hi, Nick.
Hi.
Hi, today we're playing Black Ops 2 Zombies. Right, Nick? I don't know if you guys can. You probably can.
We're starting.
And if I don't talk much, it's because I'm sick. Oh, and by the way, Nick really sucks at.
Good one, Matt. That's good.
I know.
Okay. Technically, it's the opposite. Oh, yeah.
This is really scary. I don't like this. Can I shock people? Oh, that's cool.
I want you to revive yourself.
What? I don't know what I'm doing. I've never played this.
Go into the person that...
I'm reviving myself. Grab what?
has the blue of his head and hold
I
extra.
really want to grab it right now.
Hey, check it
There
out.
you go.
A map of the prison.
Why is there like dead people? This is really scary. Oh, I want to go in here. Can I blow you up or something? Did you just try and knife me? Where are you? I can't. I got him. How come you got more points than me? That's annoying. I want a knife.
That's all you live for. I'm almost invincible. Almost, but not quite.
I'm gonna rebuild the barrier for points. What happened? I'm really scared right now. Ah, zombie! Got him. Wait, talk louder. I want to see if I can hear you. From the Skype. Ah! I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead.
It uses my vocabulary.
Yeah, but I can't. Talk into your phone. I can't talk. Yes, you should. Put yourself. Wait, talk to yourself. Wait, hold up, talk.
We need to use the wall portals if we're going to get around the prison.
I can't hear you. I don't...
Double points. Double points.
Talk again.
This ain't a fucking game.
Oh, I fixed it. I'm so smart. I'm smart.
Yeah. Pretty smart.
Whoa,
Okay.
why are you bullying me?
Anyway.
Where's the thingies where I can get the guns?
These are kill switches. You want to...
They're all around the map.
Oh, I'm gonna kill this one.
Grab
You
that.
told me not to grab that.
But you can.
You're just being rude. Can I? Oh, rebuild. There we go. That's what I'm gonna title this video, The Repairman.
That's all you're getting.
Yeah. I wanna knife him.
Nah, I wanna shoot him.
Rebuilding the barrier while shooting.
Oh,
Dang,
I
I'm
can't
good.
Get low on rounds.
I'm really scared now.
I'm scared.
I just rebuilt this. This guy's like, oh my god, I'm out of ammo. Help me. How much is this gun?
There's a gun. Buy it. No, wait. Don't buy it.
That looks like a crappy gun.
You're gonna buy this?
Shooters are dry.
I'm gonna trust you right now. I don't like it.
Alright.
Money, though.
I'm gonna need you to protect me.
Oh, I want this thing. I want. What's this skull thing mean? I don't know where you are. Oh, there you are.
I'm right here.
I got you.
You're gonna have to protect me. Do not click that as well. No, bad idea.
I should click it?
No, no, no.
Can I revive you though?
No, don't.
Wait, why did you leave me the only one alive? You know I suck at this.
Just.
Oh, God, I'm so dead right now.
You're fine. I'll get the. It's not open.
As if by
Just kill.
magic, we all reload.
Ta-da!
I think
What's
we
this
should
thingy?
do one
I
more
want this key.
round like
I grabbed it. What is it? No, I kind of like this guy. Makes me better than you. Wait, what did I say I was gonna call this video?
17.
Repairman.
Oh yeah, the repair. Dude, I'm going ham right now.
Follow me. Follow me.
No, but I want to be better. I think I'm lagging. Where are you? I don't even
No,
know.
you're not lagging. You're on 4 bar. I'm opening this. You just can't process this. Okay. Watch what happens. This little orange.
Ah!
Oh, yeah, that's
Look out, guys!
to your right.
Should I be scared? Oh, crap. That is scary. No, I'm down. Where am I? I don't even know. Where am I?
Go to the blue dot.
I got it. No, I don't.
Revive yourself. Where are you?
Ah.
Here,
Oh. Did you get rid of it?
you're welcome.
What do I do with this warden's key?
It helps you open up locks.
I want
And
to
those locks will come.
find me a lock.
Want me to show you what happens?
Ah! I'm scared. I just fell down and God, I'm
Come
such
over
a
here.
wimp.
Come by me. Come
Wait,
by
there's
me.
a zombie. I got him. I don't know where you
Come by
are.
me.
Where are
Down
you?
below you.
Oh, there you are. You know, I would come down there, but, you know, it's too far. I got you. Where the zombies at? That thing
There's
is...
a big giant dog head.
Can I-
Don't shoot it.
Do I only have, like, a certain amount of reviving myself?
Yeah, if you look at the bottom right corner.
And I have 0 left. Is that bad?
Okay. I got this. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry, bro. I got
I really would.
I'm doing pretty much everything for you, but go up the stairs. You didn't want to get down past the stairs. Let him call.
Wait, I'm trying to get up there, but... the zombies with my...
He's above you.
with my
looking at
ham
you.
skills.
No, it's kill. Oh, it's gone. Come on, follow me.
Where are you? Found you. Can I knife you?
Do you have a 1 next to you?
No, I have a 0.
That's okay.
How do I get more? I want more. I like it. Sure.
Buy it.
Bye bye.
Here we go.
I barely shot it.
No, don't shoot it. Oh.
Oh no, I just realized something. Your phone is so, like... Wait, we hung up again. Help me. Okay. Answer the phone. Answer the dang phone, kid. Ooh, wait, no, you need to answer me.
It anymore.
I'm dead. I did. But I have another revive. I have a revive left. Okay, I have one left. I can revive myself. Die, zombie. Oh, I know. I have one bullet left. Is that bad? Oh crap! Is that the good gun right there? I want to let me buy it. Revive me! I want this gun! I want this gun, kid! I do have a key, is that good?
I was almost out. Almost.
Ooh, I like this gun. It looks like an ASM1.
Easy.
He's back, everybody! He had to go answer
I'm
his.
back, guys.
They didn't miss you at
Lock's
all.
over here. Lock's right here.
No, they don't. Where's the lock? I want to find it.
It's right here.
Open.
There you go, boy.
I want to get. What's that thingy? I want it.
Yeah, you want it.
Quick, go.
That just keeps running around.
Yeah.
Stop.
I can revive myself. Don't worry.
Don't stop. Choo
I'm
choo.
probably gonna get copyrighted. Just.
Nuh-uh.
I've been copyrighted 4 times.
Ow.
I'm not very good.
It's like they all got switched off.
You're
Die! How'd they all die already? That's. You nuke them? That's called bullying. I want to go in here.
Come back when I got some more.
Open this.
Dog.
Thank you.
I hear somebody. Who is that?
That's my
Wee.
friend.
Open this
Look
door.
at how many points I have. Look. Okay. Hey, come in here, Matt. Come in here real
What?
quick.
Oh, okay.
Where you want to get the thingy?
Oh yeah.
This dog? Alright. Die.
I like this gun. It's kind of like an ASM1. Oh, what is this? What is this?
Max ammo.
That's pretty good, right?
Just to let you know, guys, this guy has...
Oh
No, that's
crap!
not
I am down. I am down. Oh, but I can revive myself. I got you.
Wait.
Yeah.
This might have been a...
Should I-
Shot the blue...
Shock, what blue thing?
No. The thing where the one thing is.
You know, I'm just gonna revive myself.
Yeah, just revive yourself. Grab the...
And I'm down again. Congratulations.
Down quickly.
Dang, I'm bad. You got me, right? You got me?
Yeah, I got you, dog. Yeah, dog.
I'm really scared right now. There's a possibility I might die.
9, 6, 7, nobody's
No.
going to heaven.
Yo, man, guess what round? Yo, buy Jug.
Where's Jug? I already bought Jug, I thought.
Yeah, but when you...
What?
Gosh.
Oh no, I'm just kidding. Where's the Juggernaut?
I don't worry.
You're funny, I like you.
Where's the
It's up
Juggernaut?
here. It's up here by the gondola.
How did you get up there?
Stairs!
Oh, there's
staircases,
stairs?
You know. How do you think you got down here?
Jump.
Oh shit, I'm gonna go
I
down.
think the jump didn't take this.
Oh, I'm down.
Oh yeah, Warden, he's gonna destroy Juggernaut.
Oh, I got myself. I'm gonna go revive myself. I'm dead. Is that
I know.
bad? He just threw a burrito at me? That's just rude.
Who throws it? Yeah,
I love
check your sour cream.
burritos. That's great.
I'm lagging.
No, you're not. You're a 4-bar liar.
I'm about to die, legit. I'm right by Juggernaut. I really wanted to. You should come save me. Look how red everything is. I don't like this. You know, I'm gonna die pretty soon. I'm dead, nothing.
No, you're not. Oh, you are. Not a
Thanks a
kid.
lot. What? Did I lose all my guns? Can I get them back like in Exo Zombies?
No. Why can't I repair?
I'm gonna go.
Yeah, go down here. It's down here.
No, but now I'm gonna die. There's zombies everywhere.
No, I got you, Dan.
Got me? You got me?
Yeah. Oh, no, you're...
Thanks a lot.
I
God.
tried.
And now I have to use. Now I'm gonna have to use my revive myself.
Now buy the gun.
I need something right now.
Oh my.
Oh, man. You went down. Oh, no.
I believe in you, Nick. Always
Can you
believe
provide
in
an
yourself.
extra?
Yeah, if you come by me, I'll just start shooting.
You made me laugh. That's an extra push.
I'm gonna go shoot this guy's zombie butt.
Oh, jeez.
Oh god, we are so dead. I'm gonna run away.
Got you, man.
Ah!
I'm so
Run!
scared.
Are you gonna change anything?
Careful next time.
This is definitely becoming a new series. I feel so overpowered.
You're a dead piece of shit now.
Let's go!
I like how they're all following you and just barely taking it.
Because I'm first player. They follow. You're like the... You're racist. I'm sorry.
So you're saying
But
white
if
people are better,
you
huh?
have the white number.
Wait, what color? Am I black? I'm just curious.
You're... Wow. Hey, look at you. 12 downs. That's...
Who am I? I don't even know who I am.
You are a weasel. It says right next
Yeah, what does Weasel
Numbers.
look like?
Well, you actually are.
I actually have like 5,000 points right now.
Even though there's...
What's up, Jeff?
I just bought Juggernaut, is that good? And then I die right away?
That's a waste of money, my friend.
That was such a... And I lost my guns again! Ow!
Man, I'm stuck back here.
And I'm dead.
I'm probably gonna
Look
die.
how good I am, Tony. Boss.
Yeah, I'm dead. Don't worry, I can redeem. I'm gonna go shock.
No,
Hi.
that's you? Can you revive me? I already fixed Juggernaut.
Oh, what the? You just got... What?
I
Did you
just
say
got
Juggernaut?
Juggernaut.
Juggernaut. That's good, man. It's good. Cow, man.
You can zap zombies?
I ain't letting you freaks near me.
I'm doing my best. There's a lot of zombies.
Oh crap, you are so dead.
Uh,
No! Why'd you do
I
that?
tried, man. I tried.
Alright, that's the end of this episode, everybody. Drop a like if you enjoyed.